Welcome. Food is a cause and a cure. For factual nutrition information, please subscribe to our channel. Delicious breakfast recipes for a gorgeous Sunday. How to make classic waffles. First heat the waffle iron. Then beat eggs in a large bowl. Now let us beat in flour, milk, vegetable oil, sugar, baking powder, salt, and vanilla, until smooth. You need to spray the waffle iron with non-stick cooking spray. Now, pour mix onto it and cook until golden brown. Let us make simple pancakes. First mix flour, sugar, baking powder and salt. Now make a well in the center. Pour in milk, egg and oil and mix. Heat a pan over medium-high heat. Use 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake until brown. Simple and easy way to make deviled eggs. Deviled eggs, also known as stuffed eggs, Russian eggs, or dressed eggs, are hard-boiled eggs that have been shelled, cut in half, and filled with a paste made from the egg yolks mixed with other ingredients such as mayonnaise and mustard. Mash egg yolks, mayonnaise, hot sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon salt until almost smooth. Fold in cheddar, pimientos and green onion. Spoon into egg whites. Garnish with paprika. Happy Sunday, and enjoy these simple breakfast recipes. Thanks for watching. We hope this information is useful to everyone. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and follow for more nutritional videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell.